Okay, this is the long view. It's those two naked stumps. Part of that fell over last night. And more of it I cut down today. I can't see in the sun whether this is capturing what I want to capture or not. This one right here is the one that I just cut down from there. And it goes all the way out there. And you can see the branches behind the truck. And they're all over the place. We'll have to bundle them up and take them out tomorrow. This is the island where it landed. Smashed all of the honeysuckle. Bent the dracaenas, but didn't hurt them. All right, so that's my mess.